What's up? Today's video is going to be a Lululemon haul. So I've got a couple of items I got. For Christmas, I got a gift card. So I went to Lululemon and I've been going to the gym quite a bit, hiking, and my normal workout routine. So these items have been great. Normally I buy Fabletics, but we've been now converted to Lululemon. So the first item I got is this shirt. This now is a workout shirt. I've been using it for hiking though too. I love it. It's blue. It's really great material, perfect for like kind of that moisture wicking, fits well, can also be used as like a base layer. So I've been using this a lot when I go to the gym and it just fits well. I really would like it in a couple of other colors. And then I got a sports bra. So this is like this army kind of green sports bra, kind of cinches here and then looks like this at the back. I like wearing this at the gym, but even for hiking, this is going to be perfect in summer. And then I also got like this sea foam blue green sports bra. So it has like an undershirt attached to it. This is a bit longer and then it cinches here. I really love the color. It's like this light blue. So I've been wearing this and it's perfect for the gym. Very comfortable. I like these because they're great material, great quality. I also got some pink workout pants and a lanyard, so I'll insert some photos of that. But this is very comfortable and fits well. So I've been liking these, wearing them to the gym. Hasn't been warm enough to wear hiking yet, like on its own. I'm layering it under pieces, but very comfortable. So there is my haul. Hope you enjoy.